Not all SUVs are created equal. Some will give you years of hassle-free driving, while others will leave you stranded with repair bills that will make your head spin. In 2025, the market is packed with options, but if you are not careful, you might end up with an SUV that is nothing but a money pit. Today, we will reveal 3 of the worst SUVs that you should absolutely avoid, and 4 of the best ones that will last you for years with little to no issues. If you are planning to buy an SUV in 2025, this is a must-watch. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is marketed as a rugged, off-road capable SUV, but in reality, it is one of the most unreliable midsize SUVs on the market. Owners report constant transmission failures, electrical issues, and engine malfunctions that start occurring within the first few years of ownership. The cost of repairs? Sky high. Even routine maintenance is expensive, and if anything major breaks, you are looking at thousands of dollars in repairs. Despite its luxurious features and bold styling, the Grand Cherokee has failed to improve its long-term dependability, and Consumer Reports consistently ranks it below average for reliability. If you want a stress-free SUV, this is not the one. Why you should avoid it? Expensive repairs, weak reliability, and a history of mechanical failures. But if you think the Grand Cherokee is bad, wait until you hear about the next SUV. It is even more frustrating to own. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse looks like an appealing midsize SUV with its spacious interior and strong V6 engine. But do not be fooled. This SUV has major reliability issues. Owners frequently report problems with the engine, fuel system, and weak transmission, leading to costly repairs before the SUV even hits 100,000 miles. One of the biggest complaints about the Traverse is its terrible resale value. Many buyers regret purchasing it because repairs pile up quickly, and dealerships offer shockingly low trade-in values. If you are looking for a reliable long-term SUV, the Traverse should not be on your list. Why you should avoid it? Low resale value, frequent engine failures, and costly repairs make the Traverse a poor investment. But the next SUV is even worse, especially for those looking for luxury. You will not believe how unreliable it is. Land Rover Discovery. The Land Rover Discovery might be a luxury SUV, but it comes with a luxury price tag for repairs too. Known for its poor reliability, constant electrical issues, and expensive air suspension failures, this SUV has been a nightmare for many owners. Even though it is built for off-road adventures, the Discovery struggles with durability, and many owners report frequent breakdowns even with normal driving. Repair costs are astronomical, and once the warranty runs out, you are left with one of the most expensive SUVs to maintain. Why you should avoid it? Luxury SUV with shockingly poor reliability and extremely high repair costs. Now that we have covered the SUVs you should steer clear of, let's take a look at 4 of the best SUVs you can buy in 2025. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a no-brainer when it comes to reliability. This compact SUV has been a top choice for decades because of its bulletproof engine, excellent fuel economy, and low maintenance costs. Powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, the RAV4 delivers up to 40 miles per gallon in its hybrid version, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Plus, Toyota's legendary reliability means this SUV will last well over 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the RAV4 at the top for dependability, and it holds its resale value better than most SUVs on the market. If you want an SUV that will never let you down, the RAV4 is one of the best choices. Why it stands out? Outstanding fuel economy, legendary reliability, and excellent resale value. But if you want something with a little more luxury and refinement, our next SUV will impress you. Lexus RX. If you want a luxury SUV that lasts, the Lexus RX is the perfect option. Lexus is known for its exceptional build quality and long-lasting engines, and the RX is no exception. Powered by a smooth 3.5-liter V6 or an efficient hybrid option, The RX offers a quiet, comfortable ride with excellent fuel efficiency. Unlike many luxury SUVs that become money pits over time, the RX is incredibly reliable, with many owners reporting over 250,000 miles with minimal repairs. Consumer Reports praises the Lexus RX for its high-quality interior, smooth ride, and excellent safety features. If you want luxury without the headaches of constant repairs, this is the SUV to get. Why it stands out. Luxury meets reliability with a high resale value and minimal maintenance costs. Now, if you are looking for something sportier but still just as reliable, the next SUV will blow your mind. BMW X6. The BMW X6 is proof that luxury and performance can coexist with reliability. Unlike many other high-end SUVs, the X6 has proven itself to be durable, with solid engineering and a powerful selection of engines. Featuring a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six or a monstrous twin-turbo V8, the X6 delivers both power and efficiency, making it one of the best performance SUVs on the market. Its intelligent all-wheel drive system and advanced technology ensure a smooth and controlled driving experience. Consumer Reports rates the X6 highly for its build quality, safety, and performance, making it one of the most reliable luxury SUVs of 2025. While some BMWs have reliability concerns, the X6 has proven to be a well-built and dependable SUV. Why it stands out. Sporty, luxurious, and reliable. One of the few performance SUVs that does not break down easily. But what if you want something truly rugged, built for adventure, and capable of lasting a lifetime? The next SUV is exactly that. Ford Excursion. The Ford Excursion is a full-size beast that offers rugged durability and unmatched power. Designed for heavy-duty performance, this SUV is perfect for families, road trips, and towing massive loads. With a huge V8 engine and a body-on-frame design, the Excursion is built like a tank, capable of lasting well over 300,000 miles. It offers spacious seating for up to 8 passengers and an interior designed for comfort, making it ideal for those who need a tough, long-lasting SUV. Consumer Reports has praised the Excursion for its strong reliability, towing capacity, and longevity. If you want an SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, this is the one to get. Why it stands out. Massive power, extreme durability, and a long lifespan. According to Consumer Reports, Toyota RAV4 are among the most reliable compact SUVs, with top ratings for fuel efficiency, safety, and owner satisfaction. The Lexus RX continues to lead in the luxury segment, earning high marks for durability and refinement. The Ford Expedition also receives praise for its robust build quality and reliability in the full-size SUV category. On the other hand, the Jeep Grand Cherokee ranks among the least reliable SUVs, with multiple complaints about transmission failures and electrical issues. The Chevrolet Traverse also receives low reliability scores, with concerns about engine and fuel system problems. The Land Rover Discovery is one of the worst-rated luxury SUVs, struggling with high maintenance costs and frequent mechanical failures. Choosing the right SUV can make all the difference in ownership costs and long-term satisfaction. Whether you are looking for budget-friendly reliability or top-tier luxury, the SUVs on this list give you the best and worst options in 2025. Which SUV on this list would you buy, and which one would you avoid? Let us know in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest SUVs hitting the road. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content.